on my break, so it won't be too long. And do a few burps for you. There's a weak one. Sorry I haven't done much videos. I've been very busy. See you then. Bye.